In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Cricket 22 with keyboard. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up Cricket 22 and play using a keyboard. While Cricket 22 is primarily designed for controller gameplay, you will still be able to play it with a keyboard. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about the experience of playing with a keyboard and how it's gonna work out. Because the game is available on PC through digital storefronts like Steam, it is expected that you will be able to play using the keyboard as well. So I'm gonna give you a general guide with the basic controls. So first, for batting, by using the left and the right arrows, you will be able to move the batsman. You can press the up arrow to drive the ball and the down arrow to defend the ball. Spacebar will play a shot after you are done moving. Now for bowling. By using the left and right arrows, you can adjust the bowler's position up and down to control the ball's trajectory and space to actually bowl the ball. Next, you have fielding controls. So once again with the arrows, left and right to move the fielder, up and down to adjust the fielder's position, and spacebar to catch the ball. By pressing tab, you can switch between camera angles and escape to pause the game at any point. The exact controls might vary slightly depending on your keyboard layout and game settings, and for a more optimized experience, you will be able to go over to the control settings and change the keybinds from there. Overall, you will be able to play right away as soon as you open the game for the first time on your PC with a keyboard connected, but like I mentioned, you will be able to change all of these controls by going over to the settings and customizing them in there. So you can change the keybinds to whatever you prefer, and of course, if you would like to get the most authentic experience possible, the best course of action would be to use a controller, but regardless, you will be able to set it up according to your preferences on how to play Cricket 22. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Cricket 22 with keyboard. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching!